Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Civic maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the trip odometer reset button on your dashboard. This is usually near the speedometer. Now, press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. Keep holding it until the light begins to flash or resets. After holding the button, you should see the maintenance light flash a few times, then turn off, indicating a successful reset. If the light stays on, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire procedure, making sure to hold the button for the full 10 seconds. Double-check that your engine is off and the key is only in the on position for the best results. The maintenance required light is simply a reminder for scheduled service, not an indication of a mechanical issue. It typically illuminates after a certain mileage, prompting you for routine tasks like an oil change or tire rotation. Resetting it confirms you've addressed these items, or that you plan to soon. Always follow your vehicle's recommended service schedule. Remember, consistent maintenance is key to keeping your Honda Civic running smoothly for years to come. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise service schedules and any unique instructions for your specific model. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.